Welcome all. Uh, Today we have another session continuing the series of the rig equipment. And as we all know that we are going through the series of the rig equipment in which we are learning the different rig equipments, their functions, and what are their definitions. So welcome once again all the viewers. Today is the part 9 and day 14 for the rig equipment definitions. So let's see what are the topics today we have. These all are the topics for today's session. The number one is man rider winch. The second is casket system. Then wellhead, rotary hose, mouse hole, rat hole, vibrating hose, bell nipple, kick, and blowout. These all are the information related to the rig. So we will learn one by one. What are they? The number one is man rider winch. So this is an image of the winch, and let's see what is the function. First, I want to tell you that the man rider winch is a kind of equipment in the rig which is used for the person to go up and come down for any kind of maintenance or inspection kind of activity. So let's see what is the definition we have here. A man rider winch is a safety tool used in the drilling rigs and offshore platforms to transport people to the elevated area up and down from the rig floor to the maybe the monkey board, maybe the between of the rig floor or the monkey board and above the monkey board. So these winches are designed to meet strict safety standards and regulations to protect workers in high-risk environments. And it consists of features like emergency lowering, okay, automatic brakes, slack line prevention, and redundant braking system to help ensure the safety of the workers. And one very important feature why it is used and applied in the oil industries, in the chemical related plants, in offshore platforms, the drilling rigs, because the air winch is driven by the pneumatic air. So there is no chance for any kind of spark or any kind of flammability. So because it's run by the pneumatic air, so that's why it's very safe to use in a flammable atmosphere in the oil industry or any kind of chemical related plants. That's why it is used very much. Reasons and the why the people in the rig, why they use. So definitely the people in the rig use it for any kind of repairing, maintenance, or inspection job. So those jobs are following: to hang block during sleep and cut, TDS, top drive system services. TDS, it means top drive system cable connection, wash pipe installation, and etc. etc. So whenever the rig people have any, for example, the chief electrician or mechanic, he has some maintenance job need to do in elevated area, or some other person go to the up for any maintenance or inspection job, and that time the man rider winch is used. And some more information related to the man rider, I want to share that the rig management, they try to avoid the use of the man rider winch as far as they can. But if at last they see that we do not have any option, we need to rectify the problem, we need to do that inspection or any repair, we have to use the man rider winch. On that situation only the man rider winch is used. And whenever man rider winch is used, there should be a work permit required. Okay, and the rotation and hoisting, the rotation of drill string and a hoisting of traveling block will be stopped, will be paused, and uh, there should be a proficient operator who will control the man rudder winch. And there are many other points related to man rudder winch, which I will mention in another separate video when I will make for the man rider winch. This is the series. Actually, we are learning the rig equipments functions actually in the rig. So I'm just trying to present all the information in very brief so that all the learners, all the person who are new to the rig industry, they can have a good idea and understanding about those equipments of the rig. So some other informations which must be mentioned in the man rider winch. Those are marking plate. There should be a marking plate, and that indicating the arrow for up and down. Marking plate indicating SWL, safe workload. The next is wireline drum guard, because the drum rotates actually. That's why the drum should have guard. And we have another drum also in the drawworks, sorry, the drawworks. So the drawworks drum should be guarded also. Indicating sign stating that man rider winch only. So there are the man rider winch will be mentioning a written statement that this is only for the man riding. So man riding only. So any other stuff or material will not be hoisted in this man rider winch. So this information should be mentioning on the man rider winch. So the next topic is we have a casket system. All the topics are very huge actually, in a very elaborative actually when we will go to the deep. But as I said, we are learning the basic function and the definition. We are trying to learn the basic definition of those rig equipment. So I have mentioned here in a very brief actually. So let's see what is casket system. The casket system, breathing air casket system, is a fixed air support system. Breathable air fitted on board offshore, onshore drilling platforms, offshore accommodation, supply barges, and supply vessels to rescue human lives from highly poisonous, corrosive, and flammable gas like hydrogen sulfide. As we know that the acceptable and permissible exposure limit for the hydrogen sulfide is 10 ppm for 8 hours a day, 40 hours a week, 10 ppm. But if the exposure and concentration of the hydrogen sulfide exceeds from the 10 ppm, so in that situation, when the person has to work in that flammable atmosphere, for example, they are working in the rig and they have to continue their operation. If the concentration is not too high, in that time they will use the casket system. And later I will explain how the casket system is used. And if, example, there is H2S release in high concentration, so before evacuation and leaving and abandon the rig, the senior person, the tool pusher, the AD, the two floormen who will assist to the driller, and the rig manager and the tool pusher, they will don the SCABA of 30 minutes. They will connect their SCABA face mask to the Casket airline system, through which they will get the breathable air for the long time. And they will first try to secure the well, and after the securing the well, they will evacuate to the assembly point. So it has a major role in the flammable atmosphere, in all kinds of oil fields, if that is oil field drilling, if that is a production unit, that is a refinery process, that is any presence of flammable atmosphere. So this casket system is very important. Emergency breathing air system The casket system is also called emergency breathing air system. Consists of bottle racks. It is inside a container. Actually, what happens inside a container? There are a bottle rack. There is a bottle racks with compressed breathing air that shall meet the requirements of Type 1 and Grade D air as per the ANSI, American National Safety Institute standards. And SCABA casket system or breathing air casket system, both are the same. Some people say it SCABA casket system, and some say breathing air casket system is a specialized air delivery system that is designed to provide a constant supply of breathable air in an atmosphere that is immediately dangerous to life or the health. So these are the cylinders, and those have been kept on the rack. And these cylinders are supplied the breathable air from the compressor. Okay, there is a compressor in the inside this container. There is a compressor. Compressor supplies the breathable air to this racks of cylinders in the racks, and from here the line goes to the different locations of the manifold, which provides the breathable air in the flammable atmosphere, or the atmosphere where the concentration of hydrogen sulfide is more. So uh, for example, where those manifolds are located in the rig, they are located in the rig floor. The two sides in the rig floor, one is on driller side and one is off driller side, and the manifold are present also in the shell checker area and the mixing area as well in the uh, and um, and pumping area, and these all areas, these manifolds are present. So let's see what is IDLH. IDLH have we have seen there, that is immediately dangerous to life or health. IDLH stands for immediately dangerous to life or health. Immediately, we will see the definition of IDLH. Immediately dangerous to life or health is exposure to the airborne contaminants which can cause death, delayed or immediate, permanent. Even that will be either that will be there will be death, or either delayed or immediate. But permanent adverse effects on the health of an individual prevent the escape from such environment. So this flammable condition is called the IDLH, and in this condition, the casket system, which provides the breathable air through the airline, and this airline is connected to the SCABA, and it provides the breathable air to the wearer at the flammable atmosphere. So the wellhead, what is wellhead? Some people have confusion. The wellhead and Christmas tree are same. No, it's not like that. The wellhead is equipment which is a separate equipment than the Christmas tree. The Christmas tree is installed on the wellhead. See, this is the in the below is it's a wellhead, and the top one, this is the assembling of the chokes, valves, and spools are the Christmas tree. This is installed over the and on the wellhead. So, and even the Christmas tree is installed after the drilling a well at the production phase. But the wellhead is installed on the well at the time of drilling, and after, and the well completion phase, and in the last, the production phase. So wellhead and Christmas tree both are different stuff. So what is wellhead? A wellhead is necessary equipment to control the pressure during drilling and production. It is located on the surface. Okay, it means on the floor, not inside the floor, on the floor, on the surface of the oil and gas well, between the casing and the drill floor. So between the casing and drill floor. It means below the drill floor and upside of the casing, allowing safe and controlled access to a live well. It also controls the pressure, prevents leaks, and regulates the extraction of hydrocarbon derivatives from underground formations. So the wellhead suspends the casing and provides the pressure seals for the casing string. And the wellhead also support the BOP, blowout preventer, during drilling, the frac tree during completion. The frac, it means hydraulic fracturing. It's kinds of well stimulation technique actually, which is done in after the drilling in the well completion phase. So hopefully we will see this also in our later sessions during the completion, and a production uh, Christmas tree after the completion. Now this Christmas tree, when the Christmas tree installed, that is installed after the completion. It means the production phase of the well. The wellhead is present during the drilling, completion, and production phase. So this is the wellhead. Now the rotary hose. So in this image, we are looking there, this flexible pipe. We are looking over this one. So this flexible pipe is connecting here to the standpipe, and it is going to the swivel. See, okay, and rotary hose is a part of a drilling mud system, okay, and this is strong enough. And why it is not a rigid pipe? The rotary hose is not a rigid pipe because when the traveling block goes up and down, it also needs to travel. So if it will be a hard pipe or metal pipe, it will not be able to move. Okay, so that's why it is a flexible hose, but it's very strong and durable. That's why when the traveling block at the time of raising the drill string, when the drill string is raised to the up, it means the traveling block is going to the up. So with the traveling block, it is also traveling, it is also going up, because okay, and when the traveling block and when the drill string is being lowered to the downside, then it means the traveling block is coming down, so it also moves with the traveling block. That's why it's a this flexible hose. Okay, and also this traveling, okay, this rotary hose is introducing the drilling mud to the drill string through the swivel. Okay, so let's see the definition. A rotary hose, also known as a mud hose or Kelly hose, it is a flexible, steel reinforced, high pressure hose that connects the standpipe. So this is the standpipe. The standpipe is attached to the side of the J rig. Okay, and a standpipe is also a part of a drilling mud. Okay, pumping system. The standpipe to the swivel. So it's a standpipe, and this is a rotary hose, and it's connecting to the swivel, and allows the drilling fluid to circulate while the drilling string is rotating. So the drill string is rotating, and this is pumping the mud pump, this rotary hose. The Kelly hose has a diameter of 3 to 5 inches. This is inside diameter. Okay, see, we have two images over here. This is a top drive rig, and this is a Kelly drive rig. From the rotation point of view, of the drill string or drill bit, the rig is of two kinds. One is Kelly drive or rotary table rig, and another is top drive rig, TDS system. Okay, I will explain the difference things about these both the things, but here I just told you from the rotary point of view. The rotary point of view, and rotation means the rotation of the drill string. It means drill string means the rotation of this drill bit. From this point of view, rig is of two kind. One is Kelly drive rig, or one is top drive rig, TDS system, which in short TDS system. So here only I will tell you that this is a rotary hose. So this is a standpipe, So rotary hose is coming from this way and connecting to the swivel. Okay, and this is the Kelly. This is the Kelly, and below the Kelly we have a drill pipe. Okay, this is the drill collar and this is the drill bit. And in the TDS rig, see, this is the standpipe, this one, and this yellow line is, this is a rotary hose which is connecting to the top drive opening where it is introducing the drilling mud, and from top drive the inner way is going to the inside the drill string, and then it's going down to the bit, and from there is a nodules, jet nodules in the drill bit. From there the drill mud is going out to the bottom of the well where the well is being drilled. Okay, okay, the mouse hole, this is the hole where the drill pipe is placed. And what is a mouse hole? An opening in the rig floor near the rotary table, okay, where a joint of the drill pipe, what will be used next in the drilling operation, is placed in the mouse hole. Okay, the drill pipe which will be used in next to connect with the drill string. When we go to the more deeper, we will need more drill pipes. So what drill pipe is needed, that is already from the pipe rack downside, it has been hoisted through the air hoist to the drill floor, and that has been kept on the mouse hole. So this hole on the floor of rig bored into the earth for short way and usually lined with the metal casing. Okay, it means, in short, you can understand that there is a hole just beside the rotary table, and we can, and also actually it's between the rotary table and the V door. There is a hole where the drill pipe is kept, which will be used in the next operation to join the more drill pipe for the drill string. Rat hole, rat hole, you see, we have here, this is a rat hole. Okay, this is a mouse hole. Okay, this is a rat hole. Rat hole, a hole in the rig floor 30 to 35 feet deep, lined with the casing into which the keel is placed when hoisting operations are progress. Okay, so when we are doing the keel drive rig, that time we will have rat hole, because at the time of hoisting, to place the Kelly on the rat hole. If we have, our rig is a top drive rig, in that situation we don't have, even we don't need the rat hole, we will only have the mouse hole. Okay, if we have a rat hole is used in the Kelly drive rig, but if we have a top drive rig, we don't need the rat hole, we will have only the mouse hole. Vibrating hose. So in this image, it's okay, actually vibrating hose is a flexible high pressure hose that connects the mud pump to the standpipe. This is the mud pump and this is the standpipe. So it connects the mud pump to the standpipe. It is called vibrating hose because it tends to vibrate and shake, sometimes violently, due to its close proximity to the mud pump, because it's connected to the mud pump, and one mud pump is around 7,000 psi equipments. So due to the vibration of the mud pump, this hose and vibrating hose also vibrates. Bell nipple. In this image we are looking over here, this is our blowout preventer. Okay, and above the blowout preventer here, equipment is located, that is bell nipple. Okay, that is diameter pipe. This is bell nipple. See over here. So what is the definition? A bell nipple is a large diameter pipe that is attached to the top of the blowout preventer or marine riser on a drilling rig, and to flow line, mud return. Flow line is also said the mud return line. Okay, and it goes to the flow line and attaches to via a side outlet to allow the drilling fluid to the flow back over the shell checker. So from bell nipple, uh, bell nipple, there is a line connected, that is a flow line, that is, it means the mud return line, and this mud return line goes to the shell checker to carry the return cuttings from the bottom of the well. From here, there is the bottom of the well, there is drill cuttings are go through the annulus to the through the bell nipple. There is a bell nipple is a large diameter pipe, and there is a line going, that is a mud return line, or it is also said flow line, and it's going to the shell checker for the further solid control treatment. So the kick, so kick is very dangerous in the rig. So when it comes, and the driller is a very that applies a lot of controlling measures to control the kick. If the kick will not be controlled, it will turn into a blowout. If a blowout is already come, it means everything is finished. Okay, so what is the kick? We have two definition over here. Kick is an influx of formation fluid into the well bore. Okay, an influx of formation fluid into the well bore. And the second, it means from the downside fluid, gas, oil, the formation fluid is giving the influx to the well bore. That is called kick. And another definition, a kick is defined as an unexpected and unwanted influx of reservoir fluid. Reservoir fluid means the bottom fluid, oil, water or gas, into the wellbore due to an underbalanced condition in which the pressure inside the wellbore or the bottom hole pressure is less than the formation pressure. So it means the pressure of the bottom hole pressure, the pressure which is maintained due to the hydrostatic element, that is mud, is less than the formation pressure. So that time the kick comes to the wellbore. And if again I'm telling you, if kick will not be controlled, it will turn into the blowout. Now see, we have a blowout over here. Blowout, as I said you, blowout means that everything is finished. Okay, a blowout is an uncontrolled release of crude oil and natural gas from an oil and gas well when the pressure control system fails. There are two equipment or two systems for the pressure control in the rig. The first one is hydrostatic pressure. That means the hydrostatic pressure is maintained with the drilling mud. Okay, and second is BOP, it means blowout preventer. It means both the system have been failed. That time the blowout comes. Blowouts can also be called gushers. An accidental spark during a blowout can lead to a catastrophic oil and gas fire. If a blowout has come already, and if there is any spark on the riser or in the annulus inside the drill string, or in the floor, actually in the anywhere where those formation fluid goes, when the rig floor, or okay, if there any spark, it will turn into explosion, actually a catastrophic fire. And if that is oil based mud, in this situation it will be more catastrophic and more huge fire and explosion on that rig. So that's why the blowout is a very dangerous. And all the persons, the rig managers, the company man, the tool pusher, it means the supervisor of the rig, and the driller, the AD, they all try to control the formation fluid, formation pressure. They try to keep under control the formation pressure, so that any kick or blowout cannot come to the rig. And second definition, we have an uncontrolled flow of well fluid or formation fluid from the wellbore to the surface. What happens in the kick? The influx of the formation fluid is coming to the wellbore. Okay, but the blowout, it means the formation pressure or formation fluid is coming to the surface. So that's why It's a blowout is a very dangerous and catastrophic consequence. So thank you very much for your time. I hope that I succeed to share some knowledge with you all. Thank you very much. Please subscribe my channel and watch my videos and share my videos with your friends and groups. Thank you very much.